to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. I did a basic baby hair tutorial and all that good stuff, and I tend to do some long sideburns this time. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I slayed this look using hair from Wet Kiss Hair, keep on watching.
Alright guys, so this is how the wig is looking. So first thing I'm going to do is just try on the wig. I did already pluck the wig, I did bleach the knots, tone the knots, and I did already flat iron it. So the wig is basically just ready for install. So I'm just going ahead and cutting off around my earpieces. I'm just doing that and getting it comfortable to my likings. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace using my razor. I like to cut off the lace with my razor just because scissors gives a more sharp, clean look. So I kind of like it to look unnatural and kind of jagged. Well, not unnatural, but natural and jagged. So that's why I use my razors, and it just gives it like an uneven effect. So once I do that, I'm going to take my So Melted lace glue, and you guys can purchase this on my website, www.sochar.co. Okay, that's it. I was going to say .com. What's wrong with me? So I'm going to be doing 2 thin layers of this. First I'm going to smear it with my tweezers, but of course I love smearing it out with my fingers, so I'm going to go ahead and continue it out with my fingers, of course. As you guys can see, I'm usually pulling strings from my hairline if you see me like crossing over before where the glue line is, and that's just picking up little hairs that might be on your lace. Guys, you guys need to make sure that you guys are doing clean installs. Don't have any hairs laying on your lace. You want to make sure everything's as perfect as possible. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to apply the lace once my glue has dried clear. And even if your glue isn't fully clear and there is like some spots that are white, you can still apply your lace. You never want to apply your lace when the glue is too dry, because it kind of won't stick and it won't kind of have that melted effect. So even if there are little parts that are white, you can always just make sure that you gently tap those areas, and then once it dries clear, go back in and repress it in. So now I'm just going ahead with my hot comb and I'm fixing the back of my head. I'm going to now start my baby hairs. So I'm going to be doing only like 4 pieces of baby hairs. I'm going to be doing my temple baby hairs. That's what I like to call them. And then I'm going to do my sideburns. I won't be doing no front swoop at all. So the curling iron method that I'm doing has just been my new thing, you guys. Like, ever since I seen the arrogant TAE method, I don't know why, but I love it. I feel like the baby hairs come out so much nicer and so much cuter. So yes, y'all, I always do my baby hairs with my curling iron now. So now I'm just going ahead. I am kind of over exaggerating it, but don't worry, y'all. I see how close it is to my baby hairs. I mean, to my eyebrows, and I won't let it get that close. I'm gonna swoop it up and cut more as I go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue out my baby hairs. Okay, so now that I finished the 2 front temple baby hairs, I'm now going on to my sideburn baby hairs. And these are honestly my favorites. I love the sideburns because I always do them super long. And when I use my curling iron, I kind of put a little curl on them. Like, I just love long sideburns. I just realized though in this video, you can see that I cut one side longer than the other. And that's one thing I need to make sure I watch out for. So I'm going ahead and I'm just curling my baby. Look, I love it. But another thing I will tell you that I noticed that it is better to curl it the opposite way than curl it the way that I was curling. So when you do your sideburns, make sure you guys curl them inward instead of outward. It just gives you a nicer result. Now I'm just going in with my baby hair glue and I'm just slicking my baby hairs.
Alright guys, so this is the final look on how the hair came out. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, comment down below. Let me know more styles you guys want to see, more companies you guys want to see me work with, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Wet Kiss Hair for some really bomb, affordable, quality hair. Also, I will have right here listed a video so you guys can see how long the hair actually fell on me. This was, if I'm not mistaken, a 32-inch 13/6 lace front wig, so it did fall on me pretty long. So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in more details about this hair, make sure you guys check the description box. I have all the information for this hair listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.